All right, so today we got headlights, as you can see in the background. You can see my tape right here that I'm about to use. So we got headlights today. I'm about to teach you how to restore them, get them back right, have them looking way better than they are. That's the main process of, I feel like as a detailer, you want to make it look a lot better than it was when you started. So the client can be like, oh wow, that does look different, you know? So I'm gonna do a side by side and then just kind of show you clean side, dirty side. Yeah, so that's the kind of the video today. Let's get straight into it. So what I like to do, like to just tape just up under the light, so when I'm polishing, doing things in that nature, it doesn't actually hit the paint of the car. There's different ways you can do it. Some people pop the hood up, make it easier on them coming this way. You know, some people try to take the whole light off. You know, there's different ways to do it, but I just put tape so I can hurry up and basically just get started. And just but if you get the yeah, all right, so this tape you can get at any like automobile store, AutoZone, O'Reilly's, Walmart. You can get it from Target. Just go to the automobile section in mostly any stores and they'll have like automobile tape. All right, so now about to start the process of cleaning these headlights. I told you I'm gonna do it side by side, so I'm gonna put it straight down the middle real fast. And this spray right here is just gonna kind of clean it first. And as you see like how it already is knocking off the dirt off of it and it's just going down the car. And just by that right there, you can probably already see the difference just because I just sprayed it, you know? So this is just cleaning them off, just getting all that gunk off first. And you can just go over it as many times as you want. I'm kind of just overdoing it. So, you know, you can kind of see the movements I made, the things I do. You know, you want to make sure you get the corners, the bottom. That's why I said, like, the tape is kind of key because it protects the vehicle from getting all that on it too as well. Just hit that with some more spray. And you don't even have to really do that either. I'm kind of just doing it to over-exaggerate the video. Really, all these can be one step, you know what I'm saying, just depending on how bad the headlight is. I'm just overdoing it to kind of show you, you know, the process. So you can keep watching it, so it makes it like a longer video for you. So then, grab your microfiber towel. You're done, that's your third step. Just wipe it down, make sure it's dry, because the next, what you're gonna do, gonna hit it with a polish next, which is gonna make them shine. Make sure you wipe your hands, things of that nature. This is when you get your polish and your rotor, whatever you're using. I also use a root pad sometimes, but today I'm just using this smaller one because it has a smaller rotor on it, and I don't feel like taking that rotor off and adjusting them and putting a smaller pad on there, a smaller rotor. This one already has one on there, so I'm just gonna use this. I'm gonna have it on like 1. Just to make sure I spread it around everywhere. All right. And I'm gonna enter that. I hit that corner down there. We're gonna go up top here. Just to kind of give you a demonstration how high that junk can go. But yeah, this right here is the end result. Let's get you another microfiber. Wipe the contaminants off of it, baby. There goes the difference. All right, so that's the end results. You see how clear these are. You see how kind of dull this still is over here on this side. All right, so you saw the before and after side. Now we're about to just do the whole light now. This bad boy going. clean the headlight off. About to polish it now. And then we're gonna move into this with the sealant. I'm just gonna do the whole light again. You're gonna get you a clean microfiber towel. You're gonna come in, wipe the excess off. As you see, it looks a lot better than it did. After you polish it, you do want to apply like a ceramic coating or a sealant, something that can like protect it for a longer time than just, you know, a couple weeks. So this is a 6-month sealant that I'm wiping on right now. It's basically a paste form, just like the polish was, but it's a sealant that'll last up to 6 months to a year, you know, depending on what all they do. So I'm just rubbing this in right now. You don't have to, you can polish it in if you want to, but I'm just rubbing it in by hand. And then I'm gonna come over with it, wipe the excess off, keep it pushing. Put that 6-month seal on there, you good. So now we just take the tape off. And like I said, now the tape is kind of wet, so it's a lot easier to take off and pull off. And then we'll also put the excess on the strip around the head too.